Charger maintenance instruction. Power module replacement. 1. See the main board replacement video. Remove the top cover of the charger and the left and right output harnesses. To unscrew the front and rear panels of the charger and remove the front and rear panels. 3. First mark the wiring harness to avoid confusion during installation. Remove the screws that fix the wiring harness connecting the power supply to the main board. Remove the internal shock absorber sponge. Unscrew the 4 screws at the bottom of the charger. Remove the internal power supply holder from the charger housing. 5. Remove the live wire, neutral wire, and this wire from the input end of the damaged power supply. Loosen the hand screw nut at the other end of the power supply. Remove the damaged power supply and install a new power module. Six. Tighten the hand screw nut of the new power supply. Connect the power output and input wiring harnesses back to the original and secure them. Seven. Tighten the 4 screws at the bottom of the charger cover. Install a shock absorbing sponge. Install the bottom screws on the front and rear plates. 8. Install the harness connecting the power supply to the main board according to the labels while installing. Note the wire sequence. An incorrect wire sequence may damage the main board. 9. Install the output harness and charger top cover originally.